Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we're going to talk about a brand new business credit monitoring service. We're going to share with you a service on how to monitor your business credit reports, and not only that, but also monitor all your personal credit reports and FICO scores. So I'm really excited about this video today. So if you're looking to monitor your business credit, see what activity is going on, and also going to share with you how you can create your DUNS number and Experian BIN number with this monitoring service as well. If you don't have a credit file yet established for your business. So let's get started. So this new service is created by a company called MyScoreIQ Business. That's the name of the new service. So why is it important for you if you're looking to build up the credit worthiness of your company? Why should you monitor your business credit reports? So it's really important to realize that your business credit reports and your scores for your business are used anytime you're applying for credit. That's how lenders, suppliers, bank card issuers, that's how they review how your company manages its own financial obligations. So if you don't know what's on your business credit reports, it's imperative for you to monitor it and check it on a daily basis because it fluctuates. It could change. There could be someone inquiring on your business credit you don't know about. Your business credit could be compromised as well. So you want to make sure the data in your business credit report is accurate. That's one of the main reasons why you want to monitor business credit reports all the time. Also, it allows you to identify what's affecting your business credit rating. So if you've applied for credit and they pulled your business credit report and you got declined, well, why is that? What's the reason? Is there an issue on your business credit report? Is there maybe a negative item that you're not aware of? So you want to identify those items on your credit report that may prevent you from getting credit. The same thing is this saves you time and lowers your cost of securing funds. The reason why it saves you time is because when you know what's reporting on your business credit reports, this allows you to know where you can apply for credit. Certain banks or certain lenders or suppliers may pull from a specific business credit bureau. So if you know the score you have, you know what your credit file looks like for your business, then you know you're more likely to get approved with that particular a supplier or card issuer if you know they pull from, let's say, DMB or they pull from Experian Commercial, etc. So that saves you lots of time and frustration. Also lowers your costs for securing funds because you can leverage your strength of your good business credit report. So let's say you have a really strong Dun & Bradstreet credit report, you have a good Paydex score, you know you have a strong file, and you know there's a particular account you want to apply for credit with, and you know they pulled DMB. Well, definitely that allows you to leverage because you already know firsthand what your DMB report and score is. Okay, so also, why is it important to monitor your business credit? So that way you're alerted to any changes that may impact your business credit reports. If there's an inquiry or any updates, you're notified. Also, when you know where you're at for your business, you use it to your advantage. So the other thing I want to talk about, and you'll see at the very bottom, is monitorbusinesscredit.com. That'll take you to this service, but don't go there yet. With this video, watching this video, we're going to share with you how you get this monitoring service for only $1 for 7-day trial. So they give you $1 for 7 days to check out the whole entire platform. I'm going to actually share with you what it looks like on the inside. But what's really exciting about this is not only can you monitor your business credit reports, you know how important that is, but also included is access to all 3 of your personal credit reports and FICO scores. Okay, so not only are you able to fully monitor your business credit reports at Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, but also you can monitor all of your personal credit reports and your FICO scores with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So it's everything under one umbrella. Okay, so why is it important for you to also monitor your personal credit reports? Same thing when you're applying for an auto loan, or let's say you're applying for a personal credit card or a personal loan or a home mortgage. You want to know exactly what's on your credit report. You want to know what your credit scores are. Now, this is really huge because with this particular service, you have access to your actual FICO scores. Where other products offer Vantage scores, educational scores, you're actually seeing your actual FICO scores, and I'll get into that in a minute. But again, this is kind of reiterating the importance of monitoring your personal credit. It's very similar to your business credit. You want to be able to stay on top of where you're at because anytime you're applying for credit, you want to make sure you know what's on the report because that way you can apply with confidence knowing what your scores are and what data is on your reports. And you can use that to your advantage. So let's talk about this new service, this new business credit monitoring service called My Score IQ Business. You can go to monitorbusinesscredit.com, but I want to go over right now is all the benefits that are included in this service, and then I'd actually share with you the actual inside of the actual product so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let's talk about what it includes. This gives you access to your full business credit reports and business credit scores with Experian Commercial and Dun & Bradstreet. Okay, so this actually gets you access to those reports and your scores. This also provides business cyber monitoring. So in this platform, you're able to track and they monitor the dark web with your business email, your business credit card information. They'll let you to know if it's been compromised. So that's really, really exciting to have that kind of someone also monitoring your business credit across the dark web. You also get alerts to any inquiries and score changes to your business credit reports. There's an entire business education center in there about business credit to help further increase your knowledge on business credit. Now, this is what's really exciting too. Let's say when you sign up for this business credit monitoring service, it's going to ask for your information on your company, and then it's going to do a search in Dun & Bradstreet. And let's say your company doesn't have a credit file with Dun & Bradstreet. You don't even have a DUNS number. Well, let's say you do have an Experian file. Well, in the platform, if you don't have a DUNS number and you're not listed with Dun & Bradstreet, you can get your DUNS number issued upon request in the platform. So that's really, really cool. So no other monitoring service that I'm aware of offers that function, okay? In addition, let's say you do have a Dun & Bradstreet credit file, you have a DUNS number, and they find it, and you can pull your report now and see your DB report, but let's say you don't have a credit file with Experian yet. Well, this will also give you the option to create your BIN number. So Experian has also a 9-digit code they issue to businesses, where Dun & Bradstreet has the 9-digit code, which is your DUNS number, but Experian has the BIN number. So if you're not listed with Experian Commercial, you can have your BIN number issued to your company upon request in the platform as well. So that's another really, really exciting thing. So this monitoring service is great, even for those of you who are just starting out building business credit, because this can get you your DUNS number right away or get you your BIN number right away. And then you can actually start building your business credit, applying for credit, and you can start monitoring when those trade lines are reporting, okay? More importantly, too, is you also get access to your full personal credit reports with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Okay, what's really huge is the FICO Scores. You get access to your FICO Scores. So I know there's other monitoring services like NAV, but they give you access, they do only give you access to two personal credit reports, and the credit scores they provide to you is your Vantage scores, which is not your FICO Scores. The Vantage Scores is the scoring system created by the credit bureaus, but FICO is the most widely used scoring system when it comes to credit in the marketplace as an individual. So you're getting access to your actual FICO Scores with all three of the credit bureaus. Now, what's also really exciting is you're also getting full access to your industry FICO Scores. What does that mean? You're getting access to your bank card FICO Scores, and your auto FICO Scores, and your mortgage FICO Scores. And I've talked about that in a previous video, but why is that important? Well, they give you access to your bank card FICO Score with Experian because that way you know when you're applying for credit cards, the bank card FICO Score is one of the most popular scoring models they use when it comes to card issuers. So if you know what your score is as your bank card score, that leverages you when you're applying for credit cards, okay? So that's an advantage for you. You get access to that. You also get access to your auto FICO Score. So when you're applying for an auto loan, let's say as a personal auto loan, you'll know what your auto score is. And also on the mortgage side, they tell you what your mortgage FICO Score is. So that's all included in this service. So a lot of value there. This I also love too is your FICO Score Simulator and Tracker. What does that mean? That allows you to kind of simulate, okay, if your scores are 660, let's say, and you need to get to a 700, it allows you to use your simulator and say, well, if I pay down this or I pay down that, or if I do this, or etc. It allows you to simulate what you could do to get your scores to where they need to be, and it tells you the type of boost you're going to get. So that's really, really huge for you. Now, you get alerts to inquiries, any score changes on your personal credit reports as well. So you're getting that on the business side and on the personal side. And you get a $1 million identity theft insurance. So all of this for only $1 It's a 7-day trial, so you can check it out. And then after that, it's $52.99 a month. Now, that $52.99 per month includes everything. Access to your Experian and Dun & Bradstreet report. All those benefits talked about. Also, all 3 of your personal credit reports and FICO scores. So that's everything wrapped up in this service. So let me go into an example of the actual system. So when you log into the system, this is a sample customer, a demo customer. It's not an actual person. But you'll see it gives you access to all 3 of your credit scores here. And we're going to kind of play around with this to give you, so you have an idea of what you're going to see. So you're going to see your scores, and then you could, if you want to check your auto score right here, it's going to tell you what your auto scores are. Then you got your, let's say, your mortgage score. And it also gives you a tracker too here, so it tells you where your most recent scores were. Then you got your bank card scores right here. And it tells you what your bank card scores are. And it gives you 3 different versions. There's the bank card score 2, the FICO score 3, and the bank card score 8. So there's 3 different versions of the bank card score, and you get to see all 3 of them. Okay, so that's really, really huge. But let's talk about your actual credit report. Let's say if you want to see your full credit report and you want to see what it looks like, then it breaks it down right here, which is really, really cool because you can download this into a PDF. You'll see there's an actual download tab right here. It gives you your full reports, all the details, your scores, all your accounts are listed, inquiries, payment history. It's all there. Okay, so you can't miss it. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard again. And I know I'm covering personal real quick. I'll get into business here in 1 second. So now on identity monitoring here, this is also on the personal identity monitoring. This is where you can actually add what you want to monitor. Do you want to monitor your phone number, email, medical ID number, bank card account number? This will, and then you can put that data in here, and this will completely monitor it over the web to let you know, hey, your phone number is being used over here, or your email address is being used over here. So that way you kind of know anything going on across the web, the dark web, that if your ID may be compromised. Okay. Now the FICO Score Simulator right here. Click that. Now this is pretty cool. Like I said, I'm not getting into all the details on this, but this kind of gives you all the different things. If you do these things, it'll tell you, like if you make your regular payments on time, get a new credit card, what will happen to your score. So that gives you all simulations of things you could do. What if you maxed out all your credit cards, what would happen to your score? So that's a really cool function when it comes to kind of having a simulator at your fingertips. Now, if you also want to check your your checking account report, that you can it shows you how to access your check systems credit report for your business. Now, as you know, your check systems report is your checking account record. So when you open up a bank account as an individual, many times they run a check systems report. So this shows you how to order it right here. Let me see. What else we got here? Okay, this is kind of cool here. Is your lost wallet. So you can put in all your data on your your credit card information, etc. So if it ever gets lost, you'll have that data firsthand. You know what numbers to call, etc. So you can keep a record of that in here as well. So let's kind of get into the business side here. Oops, let me go back. So on the dashboard, what you're going to do, you're going to see there's a section right here that says Access Portal. This is for your business. Okay, and this might take a second for it to load. Okay, once you're logged into the dashboard for the business side, it'll take a second to load, but you'll see or give you your IntelliScore here, and let's say this is a sample company. They don't have a Dun & Bradstreet Paydex score file yet listed, so they're going to request a new one. But let's say on the Experian side, there's your IntelliScore. There's also expanded FAQ questions over here on the right side. But you see there's your payment status, your trends, your filings, your utilization. And then this is where you can monitor on your business side, your cyber monitoring for your business. You can add your email address, phone, your IP address, your website. If you want to monitor your financials, you can do your bank account, credit. So that's how you can have protection on the business side. But let's look at the full business credit report for the Experian. You'll see you can also view the entire report. This is a sample company. You'll see all the trade payment data here. terms, high credit limits. So this is your full Experian report that it gives you access to. You see there's a lot of different types of net 30 accounts here as well. Additional trade lines, inquiries, recent inquiries, collections, public filings, etc. UCC filings. So all that data is here available to you, so you can really get a full view of your company. And there's a drop down here, so like that way you can access your DMB report or your Experian report anytime. But this monitoring service is available to you 24/7. So once you're a customer, you can get alerted to things going on with your business. So that's the platform, and there's actually an education center for the business. So let's get into that. You'll see there's lots of information here on about business credits. Further expand, there's FAQs in here, and I did go into the cyber section as well. Let me see, put that up. Yep, we already went over this. So that's what's really exciting about this monitoring service. So again, only $7 for 7 days. And then it's really simple to get started. You go to monitorbusinesscredit.com. That's monitorbusinesscredit.com. You create your account. You pay the $1 for 7 days. Then it's $52.99 per month. But that gives you full access to all your personal credit reports and FICO scores, access to your Experian credit report, your Dun & Bradstreet report, and all those other benefits that I talked about. And that way you can access all the benefits of the My Score IQ business service. So to get that $1 trial, go to monitorbusinesscredit.com. We set that up to make it really simple for you, to take you to that promotional offer. And then if for you, those of you who are looking to build business credit, you want to monitor business credit, or you're just getting started, check out our business credit building system at businesscreditbuilders.org. That's our do-it-yourself business credit building platform. And we also have done for you funding solutions. So if you're looking for us to do the work for you when it comes to getting business credit cards for the business, or loans or lines of credit, you're looking to access to cash credit right away, then definitely check out our funding programs at businesscreditbuilders.org. If you found value to this, please give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe tab. That way you're notified every time we come out with a video, because we're always putting out videos on different types of business credit products, as well as how to further build business credit, access to vendors, suppliers, retailers, and how to maximize your funding potential for your business. So with that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.